Crock Gardener, this one is for you. So I watched your video the other day about using different herbs, some flowers to make teas out of, and you are weaning yourself off of coffee. Well, I'm not sure I'm ready to do that yet. I am looking to try new ways to use the herbs. In this case, basil. For me, I have lots and lots of lemon and cinnamon basil out in my raised beds, and I want to find different ways to use those. Now, I use basil in fresh cooking. I dry the basil to use in different recipes. We mix in fresh chopped basil into bruschetta. Why not make it out of tea, right? So I hear lemon and cinnamon basil make great teas, so I'm gonna give that a shot. I'm gonna try to make some tea out of lemon and cinnamon basil. Now, you'll have to forgive my workstation. I found the only shade I could this afternoon. I'm under the back porch on a couple of chairs, but I harvested lots and lots of lemon and cinnamon basil today. These are some that I haven't picked yet. Of course, here on this rocking chair, I have all the leaves that I've picked, and then of course, here's all of the stems. I am not planning on eating this, so I'm not being nearly as careful. I am getting some of the flowers. The lemon basil seems to flower almost instantly, but I think that will crumble up just fine to make some teas out of. But I'm going to give this a shot and see if I can maybe like it and maybe one day be ready to wean myself off of caffeine and coffee. All right, so Doug, Crock Gardener, this one is for you. I'm hoping that I like this and really appreciate your video and the inspiration to try to make some teas and drink them. Maybe I wean myself off of coffee. I'm not sure I'm ready for that, but I'm gonna give basil tea, lemon basil, cinnamon basil tea a try. Thanks, Crock Gardener, for the inspiration.